It is not every day you find an affordable home with views like this. Welcome to Rockland Park in the northwest part of Calgary, where this nearly new bungalow-style townhome overlooks the pond, offers direct access to scenic pathways, and is just minutes to the exclusive residents-only lodge, which features an outdoor pool, year-round hot tub, pickleball courts, skating trail, hockey rink, basketball court, playground, and more. If you have been looking for exceptional value without compromising on lifestyle, this home is worth a look. Let's go inside.